In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Mailchimp and add it to your campaign. This skill is incredibly useful for gathering valuable feedback from your audience, enhancing engagement and understanding your subscribers better. So let's dive into this step-by-step process to make it as smooth as possible. First, it's worth mentioning that Mailchimp has a splendid built-in survey tool. This neat feature allows you to create and send surveys directly through your emails, making it convenient to collect responses without needing external tools. Now let's get started. Begin by heading to the Mailchimp dashboard. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to do so by entering your credentials. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. In the dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your gateway to initiating a variety of campaigns and projects within Mailchimp. Give it a click and then select Survey from the list of options. This will open up a new screen where you can start crafting your survey. Designing your survey is where creativity and functionality meet. You can add questions using various formats, whether you need multiple choice options for simpler answers or open-ended fields for more detailed feedback. Think about what kind of information you want to gather and choose your question types accordingly. Once your questions are in place, the next step is to customize the survey page. Mailchimp allows you to adjust branding elements such as colors and layout to ensure your survey is cohesive with your overall brand image. This step is crucial as it can affect how your audience perceives the survey and consequently how eager they are to participate. After you've finished crafting and personalizing your survey, it's time to copy the survey link. To do this, simply click on the Share button and copy the link provided. Now with the survey link in hand, let's move on to adding it to your campaign. Head over to the All Campaigns section of Mailchimp, find the specific email campaign where you wish to include your survey. There, click on the Edit button next to the campaign's name to begin incorporating your survey into the email design. Within the email editor, look for the Edit Design option. This feature allows you to manage how your email looks and feels to the recipients. In the editor, you'll be using the drag and drop functionality to add a survey block anywhere into your email template design. Position it where you think it will attract the most attention from your audience. With the survey block now in place, click on the drop down box that's visible on the left hand side, marked as Link to Survey. From there, select the specific survey form you created earlier. This step links your survey to the email, making it accessible to all recipients. Once you're happy with the email design and how the survey is integrated, it's time to send it out to your audience, and there you have it, a seamless process of creating and embedding a survey in your Mailchimp campaign. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your surveys yield insightful and actionable responses.